Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Tiguan. With Volkswagen Tiguan, it's good to be turbo. Turbo with class, and is priced below $30,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, four-wheel independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, heated front seats. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.